expression you'll get here? Without construction itself, you can tell. You may answer it. What will you get here?
A plus B.
A plus B
Star.
whole star. Very good. Next, second question. This is question number A. Question number B is first, how can you eliminate? Tell me the procedure itself because you have to write in the exam. No? How can you eliminate this? Initial state. Next, how can you eliminate Q1? What will you write here? Under responder value. What will you write here?
Ma'am, A, B star.
A, B star, A. So what is the regular expression you'll get? A, B star, A. Next, question number C. This is A, B, A. Tell me the answer. First, I'm eliminating this. What will you get here?
A star, B.
A star, నేను ఇంకా దీన్ని eliminate చేయలేదమ్మా self loop ని. So what will you get here? I'm just joining these two. I'm
That will be
eliminating
A, ma'am.
B, A. So what is the regular expression you'll get? A star,
A.
B, A. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. This is A, B, A. Okay. Now tell me the answer. I'm eliminating this middle state on A. I'm not changing this. I'm not changing this too. What will you get middle? చెప్పడానికి పోటీ పడాలమ్మా ఒకరు కూడా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వడం లేదు.
B, A star,
B,
B,
A star,
ma'am.
B.
B, A star, B. So final expression, what will you get?
A star, B, A star, B, A star.
Very good. Next. Tell me the answer. I'm first integrating this part. What will you get here? I'm not changing anything here.
Self loop,
This is
ma'am.
final statement. B comma A. Self loop, what will you take? Self loop of what?
A, B.
A, B, ma'am.
A, B. Very good. Now altogether, how can we write this? A, B whole star.
A, B plus A whole star.
Very good. B plus A whole star. Next thing. On A, it is going. Tell me the answer. First, you eliminate the package.
Self loop of A, B, ma'am.
A,
B.
only B na?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other answers can I expect?
Ma'am, sorry. A, B, B.
A, B, B. A, B, B. But A is one. It's like A comma B, B ma. You may take either A or B, B. Right? It's not a concatenation. We are not going to final state. No, so it's A comma B, B. A comma B, B means I'll take it like A plus A, B. A plus B, B. Am I clear with this? Right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is B. This is A. Next, I'm eliminating this part. It is A plus BB, no change. Now, what is the expression you may get here? Between
AB, BA, ma'am.
BA. So, altogether, the regular expression is A plus BB whole star, BA, B star.
B star.
Any doubt here? Now, one more example. This is A and this is A, this is B and this is B. Tell me, ma'am. First, I'm removing the parallel edges. So, parallel edges means first I'll take this AA and back it is BB. Can I write like this? Next, AA, BB, AA, BB, AA, BB. At last, it is ending with AA only. Here you may get AA, BB. Okay, A, B, B. And before that, simply here if you observe, it is A, B, B. Suppose if I go like this, A, B, A, B, A, B. Can I draw here A, B? Can I draw like that? Say yes or no? First, I'll explain this part. Very confused avukandi. See here. First, if I go like this, which is simply AA. If I'm not going like this, AB, 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 any number of times here you may get AB. Any confusion up to this point?
No,
Please
ma'am.
respond. Okay. Next, back is BB. So it is BB. Here you may rotate like this, no? BA, 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 BA. So I can write here BA. Any confusion here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now, so I'm removing this back edge. If I remove this back edge, either I may go to AB or plus, which means AB plus AABB, AABB, AABB. Any number of times it may repeat. In between that, you may have BA also. So AA, BA star BB, AA, BA star BB. Any number of times it may repeat. So AA, BA whole star BB. Okay, here no change, simply AA, and the last is also no change, which is BA. Now altogether, what is the regular expression? AB plus AA into BA whole star BB whole star AA BA whole star. Any doubt here? Any doubt here?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Next నేను చెప్పనమ్మా మీరు చెప్పండి. This is the last example in this part. Here it is B, A, again it is A, it is B, A, B. This is the diagram they have given to you. Tell me.
Combining the first two parallel edges, AB, ma'am.
Parallel edges, right? Okay. Parallel edges means these same edges I am drawing. Very good. So same edges means
AB.
we use
A
union.
plus
A plus B ఈ రెండు కంబైన్ చేసాం ఈ A ని నేను ఇంకా కదిలించలేదు నెక్స్ట్ బిని నేనేం కదిలించడం లేదు. ఈ a ప్లస్ బిని మీరు కంబైన్ చేయొచ్చు. సో బ్యాక్ a ప్లస్ బి. ఎనీ డౌట్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ పార్ట్? అప్ టు దిస్ పాయింట్ ఎనీ డౌట్ మా? No, right? Now a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, any number of times it may repeat, no? Any number of times it may repeat, no, right? So, how can I write this? A plus b into a. A plus b into a. Next. Here. కానీ ఇది ఫైనల్ స్టేటే, మనకి ఇది ఫైనల్ స్టేటే. అంటే ఏంటి? రెండు ప్యారలల్ ఎడ్జెస్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడు దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ ప్యారలల్ ఎడ్జ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో యూ ట్రీట్ లైక్ ఎ ప్యారలల్ ఎడ్జ్ b into a plus b. So altogether how can you write these two, or you treat like a parallel edges? Parallel edges అంటే రెండిటి మధ్యలో ఏం వస్తుంది? ప్లస్ b into a plus b. ఎందుకు రెండు parallel edges అన్నాను? బికాస్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఫైనల్ స్టేట్స్. అంటే ఇనిషియల్ స్టేట్ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళొచ్చు ఆర్ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. బోత్ ఆర్ ఫైనల్ స్టేట్స్. సో a plus b, a into a plus b plus b into a plus b సబ్ హోల్ స్టార్, ఎందుకంటే అన్ని సెల్ఫ్ లూప్స్ కాబట్టి. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ a plus b as కామన్, సో a plus b into a plus b హోల్ స్టార్. a plus b into a plus b అంటే నేను ఎలా తీసుకోవచ్చు? a plus b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్టార్. గాట్ ఇట్ మా? గాట్ ఇట్ మా? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
This is nothing but the finite automata to regular expression. Finite automata to regular expression. Now, if they give you the statement, if they give you the statement, how can you obtain the finite automata for the statement? For example, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మనం చూసాం, నేను ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ లోనే చెప్పాను. సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ విత్ ఈవెన్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్. Set of all strings with even number of zeros. They have given you the question like this: set of all strings with even number of zeros, which means you have to construct the finite automata, then eliminate, then apply state elimination theorem, and then get the regular expression. What is the question they have given to you? All strings with even number of zeros, with even number of zeros, even number of zeros undali. So how can we get this? For example, initial state is q0, initial state is q0, even number of zeros undali. Even number of zeros means this is q0 on 0 going to q1, this is 1 0. Okay, next 2 zeros you have to accept. So initial state I'm making it as final state. So 2 zeros, 4 zeros, 6 zeros, 8 zeros, 0 zeros, which is epsilon also it will accept. There is no restriction on ones. You may have any number of ones. Is this finite automata or not with even number of zeros? Got it, ma? Did you understand? I think this already we have covered. No, how can we construct the DFA in the first module itself? Please respond. Rishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is the regular expression for this? You tell me. What is the regular expression for this? See, 1 is repeating, 0, 1 star 0. It may repeat any number of times, no? So 0, 1 star 0. So altogether, what is the expression I'll get? 1 plus 0, 1 star 0 whole star. Any confusion here? Any confusion here? Next question is set of all strings not ending with 101. Not ending with 101. Okay, first ending with 101 chuddam. Set of strings which accepts all the strings ending with 101. 101 to end ayye finite automata first manam construct cheddam. Cheppandam ela construct chestam q0. Andaru respond avvali. Q naught. Please respond.
Q0 to Q1 on 1, ma'am.
Q naught on 1 is going to Q1. Next.
Q1 0 to Q2.
Next.
1 on Q3.
Now what about remaining? Q naught ki 1 అయిపోయింది 0. Can I take this as self loop? Yes. Q1 ki 1 అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ నేను 0 అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ నేను 1 తీసుకున్నా, still it is ending with 101 only. No issues. Okay. Next Q2 ki 1 అయిపోయింది. What about 0?
Dead state, ma'am.
No need of dead state ma, it is ending with no. General గా స్టార్టింగ్ అంటేనే మనకి డెడ్ స్టేట్ వస్తుంది. ఈ డెడ్ స్టేట్ లేకుండా చూడు, సపోజ్ నేను ఇక్కడికి పాస్ చేశాను అనుకో 1 0 0, at last it is ending with 1 only, right? Next Q3. Q3 means Q2 1 0 అయిపోయింది. Q3 means ending with 1 0 1, right? So Q3 to Q1, can I take it like 1? Again, it is ending with 1 0 1 1 0 1 only. What about 0? Can I take like this? It is ending with 1 0 1 only. 1 0 1 1 0 1. So for this diagram, you have to construct the regular expression. How can we construct the regular expression? Please tell me. First, చెప్పండి ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తారు? Q naught on 1 is going to Q1. Okay, next first నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా, on 0 is going to Q2, on 1 is going to Q3. ఇంతవరకు రాసాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ బ్యాకేజ్ ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేద్దాం. ఈ బ్యాకేజ్ ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? 1 1 star 0 0. ఇది ఎన్నిసార్లు అయినా రిపీట్ అవ్వచ్చు. 1 1 star 0. సో ఏంటి ఇక్కడ మీకు రిపీట్ అయ్యేది? 0 ప్లస్ 1 1 star 0 0. ఎన్నిసార్లు అయినా రిపీట్ అవ్వచ్చా? 1 1 star 0 0. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Is anybody having
No,
doubt
ma'am.
regarding
Yes.
this? Now, ఈ బ్యాకెట్ ఇలాగే రాస్తున్నా, దీని సంగతి తర్వాత చూద్దాం మనం. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది Q1 లో, దాన్ని కూడా అలాగే వచ్చేసి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, 1 0 1 0 1 0. It may repeat any number of times. So here it is 1 0. It may repeat any number of times. Okay. Now ఈ edge ని remove చేద్దాం, ఈ back edge. What will you get? Q naught. Q naught is simply 0 1 1 star 1 1 star 0. Next on 1 it is going to Q1. This is 1 0 Q2. This is 1 0 Q3. Now this one 0 1 0 star 1 1. This may repeat. So 1 plus 0 1 0 star 1 1. It may repeat. Now ఇది కంబైన్ చేయొచ్చు కదా మీరు. ఎలా కంబైన్ చేసేస్తారు? 0 plus 1 1 star 0 whole star. Okay. 1 1 plus 0 into 0 1 0 whole star 1 1 into 0 1 0 whole star 1. Okay. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 1 0 1 తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి. 1 నిమిషం అమ్మా. This is 1. Okay. 1 plus 0 whole star 1 1. Next ఈ 0 separate 1 0 whole star. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 1 0 1. ఈ రిమైనింగ్ మధ్యలో మీరు ఏమి తీసుకున్నా తీసుకోకపోయినా this also will repeat. No, this also will repeat. మిగతా మీరు తీసుకున్నా తీసుకోకపోయినా you may consider this as epsilon, this as epsilon, this as epsilon. It's simply containing 1 0 1. If you expand also, you will get 1 0 1. Am I clear with this?
మ్యామ్
Hmm.
ఇక్కడ 1 1 స్టార్ 0 0 కి మీరు సింగిల్ 0 చేసుకున్నారు. Q naught మీద
Q naught లో
Q naught మీద మీరు సింగిల్ 0 రాశారు. 1 1 స్టార్
plus
0
1 1 star 0
కింద
0.
step.
Okay. ఇక్కడేగా.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Okay. Any doubt, ma? I think I'm clear with how to construct the regular expression. Suppose if you have parallel edges, how can we take? If you have back edge, how can you take? If you have self loops, how can we take? When will you concatenate? When will you take the union? When will you take the closure? Am I clear with all the things? Say yes or no. Please respond, ma. Say yes or no. Is it clear? Rishita, Sheshu, roll number 3, 37, 53. Any one of you please respond. 33 unna amma.
Yes,
13.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next topic is, now we have seen how can we obtain a regular expression for the given finite automata we have seen. Next, reverse, which means how can we construct the finite automata for the given regular expression. That we'll discuss in the next session. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll show you the syllabus. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
So regular expression, what is regular expression? How can we obtain the language? What is the regular expression operations, that is operators available in this regular expression? Only 3 operators: union, concatenation, and closure. Everything we have seen here, finite automata and regular expression. In this part only we are we have seen how can we obtain a regular expression for the finite automata. We have seen reverse regular expression to finite automata, that we'll discuss in the next session. Next, applications, closure properties of this regular sets, pumping, minimization of finite automata by partitioning. This thing I have covered in the module 1 itself, minimization of finite automata, which is nothing but the table filling algorithm we have seen, no? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
That I have already covered. So tomorrow I'll complete regular expression to finite automata. Next, on Wednesday, I'll complete applications of regular expressions as well as closure properties, half of the part. Next, pumping lemma is just 1 class. So we need 3 more classes to complete the syllabus, 3 or 4 classes. When will be your module 2, unit test 2?
From 23rd.
23rd, next week, right? In this week, we'll get 2 classes. Next week, our exam may be on 27th or 26th. In between these, you may get, right? So again, we'll get 3 more classes. Within 4 classes, I'll complete, and in 1 class, I'll revise. So before the module 2 itself, I'll complete the syllabus. Got it, ma? Please respond. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
23 నుంచి కదా మనకి మన ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చేసరికి 26, 27 అవుతుంది. ఈ లోపు ఈజీగా అయిపోయి రివైజ్ కూడా జరిగిపోయి ఇంకా 1 డే మిగులుతుంది. సో జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ లో యూ మే గెట్ మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. హౌ క్యాన్ బి అబ్టైన్, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుద్ది. ప్యారలల్ అయితే యూనియన్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ప్యారలల్, సైమల్టేనియస్ గా కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఉన్నాయి అంటే కాంకాటినేషన్. If you have any self loops, means which is epsilon closure. Only will use these 3 operators to obtain the regular expression. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, please do practice. Otherwise, you may forget the answers. Okay, please do practice. Without practice, you cannot get flat subject. Any doubts, please raise your voice. We'll discuss. I'll give you one question, ma'am. Please construct the regular expression for that. Starts with A. Without construction itself, we can say the answers. There are two input symbols A, comma B. It must start with A. Ante enti A to start avali. After that, you may have any number of A's or any number of B's. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Rishita. Ends with A.
Again, A.
A plus B whole star. Ikkada starting lo rayali, ikkada ending lo rayali. Substring. Before you may get anything, after also you may get anything. Right?
Wasn't the question it starts and ends with A?
Starts and ends with A means?
Starting A and ending.
Okay, start and end with different symbol means?
A, B start.
Here, what will you write? Start and end with different symbol.
A, B star.
A into A plus B whole star. Next,
A, B star.
AB star ఎందుకు వచ్చిందమ్మా?
Ma'am, could be anything, ma'am. A అయినా కావచ్చు, B అయినా.
అప్పుడు అలా రాయకూడదు. See, starting and ending with different symbol. ఇక్కడ A తో స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు నీకు ఓన్లీ పాసిబుల్ బిఏ కదా, నువ్వు మళ్ళీ ఏ నెల రాస్తావు? Starting and ending with different symbols. Here I have started with A. So what will you get here?
B.
Only B. If I write A means starting and ending same symbols of it. One possibility is this. Parallelly, another possibility is there. If you start with B, A plus B whole star, what will you get here?
A.
This is the thing. Ardhamaindamma?
Yes.
No direct AB and రాయకూడదు. Starting and ending with same symbol. Starting and ending with same symbol. చెప్పండి. I'm expecting answer. Starting and ending with same symbol. దీన్ని బట్టి చెప్పొచ్చు కదమ్మా, చెప్పండి.
A plus B whole star A plus B B A plus B whole star B.
Can you please respond? Sheshu?
Yes, ma'am.
చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. స్టార్టింగ్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ విత్ ఏ తో స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు
A
ఎండింగ్
of A plus B whole star A.
Plus B A plus B whole star B.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఎవరు? రోల్ నంబర్
49.
ప్రీతి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. ఇది ఒక్కటే కాదు, ఇక్కడే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. ఓన్లీ ఏ విచ్ ఇస్ స్టార్టింగ్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ విత్ సేమ్ సింబల్. ఓన్లీ బి which is starting and ending with same symbol. Only epsilon which does not take any input, which means it is starting and ending with same symbol only. ఇది వస్తుంది. అదే డిఫరెంట్ సింబల్స్ అయితే ఈ మూడు మనకి రావు. ఓకేనా? I think I'm clear with this regular expressions. Am I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss the remaining things. Those who are having doubts, they can stay and remaining people can leave the session. Hello. What about Viva? Okay. I'll take now. Just it doesn't mean anything much. Just what you want to go, what you want to do in this semester, what you are going to do in the next semester. That's it. Just briefly 2 lines. One minute, ma'am. What is your title? Intrusion detection of imbalance network traffic, right? But has repeated. No, ma. D13, which means it is repeated on 15th 8th. Yesterday only it is repeated. Okay, it got updated also. See, earlier I have seen that is deep learning system for intrusion detection only I have seen. Okay, that is not the thing with yours. But yesterday at 3:30 it is repeated. When you have forwarded to your guide, అవును మార్నింగ్ నేనే మీ మ్యామ్కి చెప్పాను బట్ నేను ఇది చూడలేదంటే మీరు నిన్న నాకు పంపారు ఏ టైంకి పంపారు మీరు నిన్న నాకు evening 4 p.m. right? He updated at 2:30. At that time it is not repeated. At 3:30 somebody has chosen the same topic. You better to change.